Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is for you. Just hope you got a little bit to look at this 2018 Subaru WRX. This is the second model year of the 5th generation of Imprezas. This one is fit with a 6-speed manual transmission as well as a Boxer turbocharged 4. It's got a couple other little goodies on it, like active torque vectoring that helps keep the center of gravity of the vehicle lower. The 5th generation WRX comes with a couple of different things. It's wider, first of all, it sits a little bit lower, and it has a longer wheelbase. Normally this screen, when you have your phone connected, you can access Starlink, you can also access MirrorLink, AHA, and Pandora for all of your music needs. With Bluetooth connectivity and a roomy back seat, this makes for the perfect family vehicle with a little bit of a sporty touch. You see here in the back seat, you've got room for days. The red stitching really complements the interior as well as the red accents on the exterior as well. This spoiler here does not come factory on this vehicle. This was added by the previous owner, as well as the fins up top, but it does give it a nice, good, sporty look and makes it seem like it's just not any old, Impreza. Go in the back here. See, we've got great room. We do have a sunroof up there for you all. Nice view from the passenger seat. Let's go see what's under the hood. Two-liter direct injection Boxer motor. Very clean example. This one has 24,000 miles. We're located at 1766 Virginia Beach Boulevard. This is LA AutoStar, and thank you for watching.